Hey guys, this is E39. I do have some issues with the seat belt. It's stuck and I can't get it out. It retracts very well, however it does not come out. Even if you try to go really slow, it doesn't move. Here is a very easy fix. I'll show you how to do it. You need to move your seat forward as far as you can. And also the seat backrest as well, decline it forward as much as you can so we have enough space to work at the rear of the car. And go to the back seat and you can see you have a lot of room over here, so we'll need to remove this decorative trim. To remove that you need to remove first this plastic bit, and you go under with some screwdriver and it's supposed to look like that. Okay, don't need to remove it completely, as long as we have a free space here to grab it, to grab this plastic. There's 3 rivets. Get them all out and you slide it off like that. Grab yourself a 17mm spanner and undo this bolt. Once you are here, you need to be very careful, because one side, this one, here's the spring which retracts the belt, and the other side is the lock mechanism. So you can tell that by this bluish color over here. So we need to open only this side. There's a small pin, you need to push that pin through with some small screwdriver. This is how that pin looks. Whoop, lost it. This is how this pin looks. Yeah, keep it not loose, do not lose it. And now you can see it's not there anymore, and we can release or take this cover off. And it's also secured over here by 2 clips, so don't break it off. Just easily tilt it up. And it's off. And our problem is right here where this ball is and this black lever. Because this ball is activating this black lever over here, and that black lever, yeah, you can see it touches this white teethed wheel and it avoids it or stops it from turning and extracting the belt out. Yeah, I wanted to show you. Yeah, you see, as soon as you try to pull, the seat belt, the wheel tries to move and it's jammed because of that ball over here, and the small black lever is moved upwards. So our problem is here. I will remove this bit off and I'll show you what I will do to make it work. To remove that one, you need to bend this tab off. I can't do it with one hand, but do it very easy. Bend the tab off and then the whole thing comes out. Yeah, when the small thing's off, now the belt goes up and down without any problems. So this means it's exactly this part is what's causing us the trouble. So, and here's what I meant, that this ball here sits in there. There's a small groove where the ball is sitting inside. And it sits like that. In case there is any crash, the ball moves forward and lifts up that small lever, and it stops the belt from going outside, going out. And yep, not as much, but yeah, that's how it works. What I'll do, I'll cut off just the tip of this small black lever with a sharp knife, just a touch, not too much, maybe less than 1 millimeter. Just grind off a little bit, and then I will test it. So I did test it and reinstalled it back, and you can test it, but you make sure it's like stands fully vertical, because if the car as well is like one or the other way, it moved, you know, stands on a slope, this ball is going to activate the seat belt. So make sure your car stands like on a straight ground, or when you test it, keep it straight and make sure you can retract it. And I did test mine, it all works really good. So it's time to put these plastic covers back. So you hook up these two clips. Make sure it's in. These two clips are in the position, and now you insert that black pin, the one we removed. Slide this part in. Like that. Now the top black cover slides inside these two slots, and as well as this slot right on the back. Yep. Keep it straight and test it if it works before you put it back in. Okay, reinstall the spongy thing and squeeze it inside that hole. It's not easy to do with one hand. See you when it's in. Right, seat it back in. Make sure you have this knob over here and the screw hole is aligned, and reinstall the bolt. And for sure you need to do the test. Perfect. Now reinstall the plastic trim. There's a clip up here. You need to get it inside that place over there, and squeeze in these 3 clips. Right, this one's reinstalled. All these 3 pins are pushed back in. Now we need to align these ones. Yeah, that's it. And let's do it one more test. Perfect. Wow. Well done, guys. If I did it, you can do it too.